Hello, welcome to CompXM CompXM 2023. CompXM is an exam after you played CompXM Capstone. CompXM has only 4 hours and 5 quizzes, so you can complete that in 1 or 2 hours, maybe longer, depends. To start with CompXM round 1, so we need to decide, because it has only 4 hours, we need to decide first how many products, new products we are going to develop, because CompXM has 4 segments: Trip, Core, Nano, and Elite. And Trip accounts for around 20%, 30%, and Core around 35%, and Nano, you see that on the screen, 20%, and Elite, the top quality product with around 16 or close to 20%, with different growth rate. There is so most of the students focus on Trip and Core. It's not so good decision, because the Nano and Elite brings much better profit or contribution margin. You see on the screen we have 4 segments: Trip, Core, Nano, and Elite again. So we need to update the product each round by basically increase performance and reduce size. We need to use table 2 and table 3 from industry condition report. This is very important. Use industry condition report to update the product each round. You can download the free Excel file with the link under this videos to update for the 4 rounds better and faster, right? You also need to check the career report of each round to find out the unit we sold from last round and inventory, so we can calculate the sales forecast for the marketing. So you see on the screen, for the marketing, we can this video we add 2 new products in Nano and Elite, and for round 1 we update the price. You see on the screen with the price, and also we update the sales forecast based on the career report of last round. We multiple by the segment growth, and also we add about 5%. Remember to add not more than 10%, because we don't sell that much in CompXM, so add 10%, 5% is just enough. And now you look at the screen of production. For production, because we add 2 new products in Nano and Elite, as you see, so we put in the production schedule by using the sales focus, deduct inventories, and also we need to add very important, we need to add capacities for the 2 new products, so we can double the sales and profit from next round. And also we need to update the automation of the product. We add a new capacity, we buy and sell. We buy some capacities for the product and add new capacities for the 2 new products. We also increase automation of Trip and Core, that we increase to 10 in later rounds, and we increase that gradually each round by a few points. And for HR, so we spend 5 hours for recruitment and 80 hours for training, so we will have the best workforce for all the 4 rounds. For the finance decision of round 1, we use all the 3 sources of funds: stock issue, short-term and long-term loans. So we will have enough cash to operate for round 1. And for TQM, the total quality management, we use 1,000 for each initiative for all the 4 rounds, and we get total marks of 4,000 for TQM, will bring the best result. And you see that we will get very high sales and profits right from round 1, and we can continue with this strategy to win on the 4 rounds. You can see the other videos also for the details, guide and tip of later rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the support, you can send the emails, or you can arrange 1 hour for Zoom to explain all the decision. Thank you for watching again. Good luck and success.